In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your ChatGPT prompts with Zapier. Automating repeated tasks can greatly improve your efficiency, and by using Zapier, an automation tool, you can seamlessly link apps to perform more streamlined workflows. Let's get started on how you can set this up in just a few minutes. First, make sure you are on the Zapier homepage. Once there, look for the Create button prominently displayed on your screen. Clicking Create allows you to initiate a new automation, commonly referred to as a Zap. Once you've clicked Create, the next step is to proceed to Zaps. This section is where you'll have the chance to design your automation, specifying what tasks you want completed and when. Now, in crafting your automation, first explore the trigger options. Think of a trigger as the starting point for your automation. To initiate our process, you'll need to type in Airtable in the search field. Selecting Airtable ensures that Zapier looks for data changes or new entries in your chosen Airtable base. Once you've typed in Airtable, a list will appear, and you should click on the Airtable app. After you've set Airtable as the trigger app, it's time to add an action. For this setup, you'll type ChatGPT into the search bar. Following the same steps as before, click on the ChatGPT option provided by OpenAI. You're setting up so that once a trigger occurs in Airtable, an action will be prompted in ChatGPT. Navigate back to your Airtable options, and now it's crucial to choose a specific event. The event is what Zapier will look for to set off your automation. You'll notice an option labeled New Record. By selecting this, you are telling Zapier to activate the action each time a new entry appears in your Airtable base. Ensure you're signed into your Airtable account for this to properly sync. Once your trigger is completely set up, begin tailoring your ChatGPT action. Click on ChatGPT once more to specify how you want this tool to respond to the data from Airtable. In the list of possible events, you'll find Conversation. Selecting this encourages ChatGPT to generate a response or complete a task based on the data fed from Airtable. Make sure to authenticate your ChatGPT account in Zapier. This ensures your data flows smoothly and securely between applications. To test whether everything is set up correctly, take a moment to click Test. This step is vital as it confirms your automation will run seamlessly without interruptions. Finally, the last step is to click on Publish. This action ensures your automation is live and ready to start working. With your automation in place, every new entry in Airtable will trigger a predefined response from ChatGPT, saving you time and enhancing your productivity. Congratulations, you've successfully automated ChatGPT prompts using Zapier. Happy automating!